How to put sub bullet points in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. So first I will show you how you can insert the bullet points. Okay, just type your content like this. Okay, you type your first content, then select the content like this and click the bullet point. Then you can simply write the rest of this like this. Okay, now if you want the bullet point of this point, just select the main point, and just hit the enter. Now hit the tab on your keyboard. Now you can type your sub point like this. And if you want again sub point, then again hit the enter. Then again you need to enter the tab button. Then again sub point will be created like this. Okay, so you can also change the style. If you want to change your main bullet point style, just click or select any main bullet points, and go here and change your style from here like this. Same as you have to select that bullet points. Okay, the style will be changed. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.